Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CBDD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and definitely well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would call an ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up here above 0024. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 0024, by no means am I saying the entire chart's broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above that area, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50 period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that's what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 0024, that would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% control and own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, nothing complicated here other than the fact that, the price just couldn't get any more, momentum, and kind of the party stopped right up around 0029. So 0029, for that reason, is just going to be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, as far as, looking at more so the overall perspective of things, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing, and what has it been doing? Well, it's been chipping away and building higher bases. So if you picture these lows as stair steps, so as long as these stair steps keep getting placed in the upwards direction, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So I get it, it's exciting to talk about breaking levels of resistance, but as long as those lows keep getting higher and higher, then like I said, the chart runs out of room, and the only place it can find room is going higher up on the chart. So when it goes higher up, that's where those resistance levels fall. So focus on building those stair steps and sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.